up guys, trains here with Misuse, RK09SOE. And round we go. What's up guys, trains here, Misuse. X944EGJ. Sorry for the late start guys, Misuse! Y611MBH. Yeah, I just about caught that. What's up guys, trains here. Misuse. EJ16DDU. There's two on the reds. Okay. What's up guys, trains here. Here we are at Farnham Station Level Crossing in Surrey. Mate, the red light's there for a reason. Hangman! Mate, the red lights are there for a reason. Pillock. Absolute pillock. What's up guys, trains here. Running the red lights. GX04EXN, I'll get on to Stagecoach about that, he ran the red lights. He was running the 46 to Guildford. I'll be calling Stagecoach about that. What's up guys, trains here at Farnham Station Level Crossing. Guys, the red lights are there for a reason. The red lights are there for a reason.
Oh, I didn't realise.
Hang on. Well guys, they're there to actually save your lives. They weren't there, be fucking hit by a train, you fucking cunt. Name and shame, guys, name and shame. Idiots. Absolute fucking idiots. Report on BTP. Yeah, waving, cunt bags. So guys, trains here. Red light runner. GC65SYS. What's up guys, trains here. Sorry for the late start. Misuse! Pillock! KV17KCC and EO04HFK. You know, caused the hangman there. That's getting forwarded to BTP. Yeah. No, that's getting forwarded. So guys, trains here. Here we are at Farnham Station Level Crossing in Surrey. Red lights are there for a reason. I think it looks like Nigel Farage. Guys, trains here. We're at Farnham Station Level Crossing in Surrey. On the go.